The toll on the nation's sprawling forests is readily apparent, though the culprit is not always visible. Invasive insects like the southern pine beetle and the emerald ash borer are attacking trees from the northeast to California to Florida. One study found almost 2/3 of U.S. woodlands will be at risk by 2027, causing a multi-billion-dollar problem.
This should be a dark green canopy, and this should be very shaded underneath. And so the fact we can see so much gray and brown from the twigs, it's striking.
In Massachusetts, hemlock trees are being killed by the hemlock woolly adelgid, a sap-sucking bug no bigger than a speck of pepper. Increased global trade means more bugs and blights are getting into the country on plants or packaging material. Droughts leave trees weaker.
Many of these pests can build up very large numbers on individual trees within a few years' time, and so the tree can't really fight that off through any natural resistance, and we just don't have any effective native predators.
Scientists are scrambling for solutions. In Syracuse, New York, William Powell leads a team growing trees to fend off chestnut blight. The fungus has killed billions of American chestnut trees in the last century. Many of these trees have been genetically tweaked with a gene found in wheat.
What we're doing with transgenics is we take the original American chestnut tree and only add a couple genes. And therefore nothing else has changed. The only thing we're adding is genes to make it blight resistant.
Powell believes similar genetic modifications can fight other killer pests.
The general principles of genetic engineering can be applied to emerald ash borer, to hemlock woolly adelgid, to thousand canker disease of walnut, sudden oak death.
Other solutions being explored include crossbreeding vulnerable breeds and planting trees far from their normal ranges to escape pests. Still others propose restricting imports of live trees and shrubs. But there are no quick fixes. Breeding takes decades, and genetically engineered trees need federal approval. Success measured not in years, but in generations. Michael Hill, Associated Press.